The Ghana Grid company, GridCo, is to construct a 400 megawatts bulk supply point at the Central Business District in the first quarter of next year.
The 45 million project is to upgrade the transmission of power supply to the area.
Aside the ongoing load shedding exercise, supply of electricity has also been interrupted due to transmission problems. The Ghana Grid company says a 400 megawatts bulk supply point will be constructed at the Central Business District in Accra in the first quarter of 2015 to help in the supply of electricity.
The load in that part of Accra is rapidly increasing. Building the substation there will help improve power delivery there. It will give consumers the reliable and quality power.
GridCo explained the development will involve the decongestion of its transmission line from Ashaiman through Bubuashi to Malam. The construction will include the removal of all structures on the company's lands. Visiting the encroached areas, the news team noticed that lands had been turned into garages. Grace, a trader, said though she is aware trading in a dangerous environment, she has refused to move due to her inability to get a new place. GridCo says all residents who have encroached under the transmission lines have 3 months to relocate.
We're not going to give anybody compensation. They move there on their own. We will advise that they move out on their own. Otherwise, we will come. Well, if there are buildings, we demolish them. If there are cars, we will punch holes in them and just send them to the smelters.